With our Weglot integration, you can generate translated versions of your website in several different languages. Visitors navigate between the different translations through a drop-down menu that displays in your site's header. This makes your site multilingual, ensuring that international audiences of different languages can engage with your content. To connect to Weglot, open the Site Languages panel. Under Multilingual by Weglot, click Connect. Then click Allow. Create a Weglot account. If you already have a paid Weglot plan, you can sign into your existing account and click Create a New Project. Set your original language from the Original Language drop-down menu. Then select the language you want your site translated into from the Destination Languages drop-down menu. And save. A customizable language switcher now displays in your site's header. After saving, open your site in an incognito window, change languages in the language switcher, and navigate through your pages. This populates your translations on your site and ensures you can edit them on Weglot. If you want to edit your translations, from the Site Languages panel, click Edit Translations. This opens Weglot in a new tab. It's not possible to edit translations directly in Squarespace. You can also set your translated languages to public or private in your language settings. When a language is public, it appears to visitors in the Language Switcher drop-down menu in your site's header. When a language is set to private, the language switcher still displays when editing your site, but it won't display for visitors to your site. Translated customer notification emails are enabled by default when you connect to Weglot. Customers who shop on your site will receive notification emails in the same language they were using when they browsed your site. For gift card purchases, both the purchaser and the recipient will receive their notifications in the language the purchaser used. To disable translated customer notifications and ensure your notification emails aren't translated, open your language settings and switch the Multilingual Customer Notifications toggle off. If you'd like to disconnect your Weglot account from your Squarespace site, open the Extensions panel, click Connected Extensions, then click the three-dot menu, and disconnect. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.